Welcome to the Northern Alberta Institute of Technology, where the dreams of over 2,600 international students just like you take flight each year. Ever since our first graduating class of 1962, NAIT is focused on providing exceptional polytechnic education with a focus on programs that lead to careers. Home to over 200,000 alumni, our school is a popular choice for students from over 85 countries.
At NAIT, we strive to make our admissions process clear and to provide you with options for meeting entrance and language proficiency requirements. You can also request a review of your previous post-secondary education for transfer credits, which could save you time and money.
Once admitted, you'll enjoy the benefits of a friendly, modern campus, vibrant student life, and support provided by the friendly staff at the International and Intercultural Community Center. And with over 70 work-integrated learning opportunities and paid co-ops, you can gain valuable experience during your program, experience that you can add to your resume.
As NAIT is a widely respected polytechnic school, your certificate, diploma, or degree earned upon graduation is accredited by the Alberta government and recognized across Canada. With our digital job bank, networking events, and exclusive hiring opportunities, we do everything we can to help you find your ideal job. An amazing 92% of our alumni find employment within 9 months of graduating from their full-time program.
The majority of NAIT credit programs qualify for the Canadian Postgraduate Work Permit, and many of our alumni have qualified for the Alberta Immigration Nominee Program, which helps you not only live in Canada, but build a life here. Join us at NAIT for an education that goes beyond borders.
Visit nait.ca to learn more.